Plus 2 CBSE Maths differentiation. Already I have explained some 40 sums. Now today we are going to see some 7 problems, 4 of this type. Another 3 problems differentiating say f of x with respect to g of x. Y equal to these 4 problems here. Y equal to sin inverse of x root x, NCERT book, and y equal to cos inverse x by 2 divided by 2x plus 7, NCERT, and y equal to sin inverse x plus sin inverse of root 1 minus x square, also NCERT. 2015 it is asked y equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square divided by root 1 plus x square divided minus root 1 minus x square. Now I will write down the 3 sums also. All the 3 problems which we are going to discuss in this video: differentiate tan inverse of something with respect to cos inverse of something. 46, differentiate tan inverse of again something, actually the reciprocal of the previous one, with respect to sin inverse of same problem, 2x root of 1 minus x square. Question number 47, tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x with respect to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Now we will go one by one. Question number 41, y equal to sin inverse of x root x. Just I have rewritten that x power 1 and this is x power half, therefore x power 3 by 2. Now applying the formula, y sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square, and x power 3 by 2 further on differentiation 3 by 2 times, and x power 3 by 2 minus 1, so 1 by 2. The result is now 1 by root of 1 minus, this 2 get cancelled, so it becomes 1 minus x cube, and 3 by 2 times of root x. Now question number 42. Y equal to cos inverse of x by 2, the whole thing divided by 2x plus 7. Quotient rule, 2x plus 7 the whole square, then 2x plus 7 differentiation of this minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and then x by 2 on differentiation 1 by 2 minus cos inverse of x by 2, and this on differentiation 2. So further simplification, minus outside 2x plus 7 1 by this on LCM 4 minus x square, the square root of 4 divided by here it will come, so it goes up as 2, and 1 by 2 minus 2 times of cos inverse of x by 2 divided by the denominator as it is, so this 2 get cancelled, so the problem is over. This is our 42nd problem. I will go for 43rd problem. Question number 43, y equal to sin inverse x plus sin inverse of something. So y dash sin inverse x, so 1 by root of 1 minus x square, sin inverse of this, so 1 by root of 1 minus the whole power square, and then chain rule we have to apply, the root of 1 minus x square, so 1 minus x square power half, therefore this will become 1 by 2 times of root of 1 minus x square, and then x square on differentiation 2x minus, so minus, these 2 get cancelled. Now the answer is 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus x by root of 1 minus x square, and this will be 1 by root of 1 minus, the square root goes off, so it becomes simply 1 minus x square. The result is 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus x by root of 1 minus x square, 1 minus 1 plus x square. So it becomes 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus x by root of 1 minus x square, and this becomes 0. Root of x square, so it becomes 1 by x, so they get cancelled. The result is that 1 by root 1 minus x square again minus 1 by root 1 minus x square, the answer is 0. It's a nice problem. Sometimes students may get confused that whether we will be getting 0 and make mistakes. So it is answer is 0. Now we'll go for question number 44. Question number 44, y equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square divided by root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square. In the earlier videos, say under question number 34, y equal to cot inverse of root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x, denominator root of 1 plus sin x minus 1 minus sin x. We have done. We have rationalized that and then we have got the answer very easily. And for question number 35, what we have done, it is similar to question number 34 except that instead of sin x, x is there. So what we have done there, x equal to sin theta, we have put it and then simplify that. Now let me come to this 44th problem. Y equal to 1 plus x square is there. It's very much similar. So what you do is put x square is equal to sin theta. Okay, this will become 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta minus or 1 minus sin theta. Rationalize that and then proceed. You will be getting the answer. So you can do that. So practice only makes you perfect. Already we have discussed two problems similar to that. In case you have any doubt, go to the question number 34 and 35 in the earlier videos. Now I'll go to the question number 45. Question number 45, differentiate one function with respect to another function. Till now what we have done, differentiate the function with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. dy by dx we have found out. Now the question is that differentiate this with respect to another function. So what we do here is, let us consider this is a u. Tan inverse of root of 1 minus x square by x. Since tan inverse, I must get tan theta. So here I should get sin theta. So I put x equal to cos theta. Therefore this becomes 1 minus x square, that is 1 minus cos square theta, which is nothing but sin square theta, root of that. So sin theta. X is cos theta. So the result is tan inverse of tan theta, which is theta. That theta is nothing but cos inverse x. This is u. U in terms of x. So go for that du by dx. Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now go to the other one. So I just rub all these things. I am keeping only du by dx. So I write it here. Du by dx we got it as minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now let us consider that as v. V equal to cos inverse of 2x and root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse of this. If you put x is equal to, what we had done there, x equal to we had taken as cos theta. For this one what we had done, x equal to cos theta. So here also you should take the same thing, x equal to cos theta. So what happens here? Cos inverse 2 cos theta, and this becomes 1 minus cos square theta, square root of that, so cos theta sin theta. So the result is sin 2 theta. I want in cos, therefore cos inverse of cos pi by 2 minus theta. So cos inverse cos goes. So v is now pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Pi by 2 minus 2, theta is nothing but cos inverse x. This is v. Now dv by dx is pi by 2 get cancelled because constant, minus 2 cos inverse x. So minus 1 by, this minus is there, in addition to that 1 minus root of 1 minus x square, that is 2 divided by root of 1 minus x square. So here I have taken x equal to cos theta, same x equal to cos theta you have to apply. The result is now dv by dx, we got it. What we want, this we have taken u and this we have taken v. So we want actually du by dv. U has to be differentiated with respect to v. So I need to find du by dv. So du by dx divided by dv by dx, the dx will get cancelled, so we will be getting du by dv. Du by dx is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, the whole thing divided by dv by dx, which is 2 divided by, so this will get cancelled. The answer is simply minus 1 by 2. So this is this one. So otherwise we have to take it to the, in case you don't understand that part, I will do that also. So this becomes minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and this becomes root of 1 minus x square, that goes reciprocal, cancel, so minus 1 by 2. Now I go to the 46th problem. Question number 45, differentiate tan inverse of x by root of 1 minus x square with respect to sin inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, root of. Tan inverse something, so I must get this is tan theta, this bracket. So what I am doing is x equal to this I am considering as u, and x equal to sin theta I am putting. The result is now tan inverse of sin theta 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta, root of that, so cos theta. So this is tan inverse of tan theta, which is theta, which is nothing but sin inverse x. This is u, therefore du by dx is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now this let us consider as v, x equal to sin theta, and this will be cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin inverse of sin 2 theta, that is nothing but 2 theta, that is v, that is theta is equal to sin inverse x, therefore dv by dx is 2 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Now I have to go for du by dv. So du by dv equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. Du by dx is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. The whole thing divided by this, so it goes in this way. The result is again 1 by 2. The previous problem also the answer is 1 by 2. Now also we got 1 by 2. Now this is our 46th problem. Now I will go to the last problem for this video, that is question number 45 of the same model, differentiating one function with respect to another function. The last problem for the day, differentiate tan inverse of this with respect to that. You have to take x equal to tan theta. So 1 plus tan square theta will become secant square theta, that on square root secant theta minus 1 by tan theta, secant theta is 1 by cos, so 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, get cancel and simplify panro. You do that. Here also putting x equal to tan theta, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, which is nothing but tan 2 sin 2 theta, so it becomes 2 theta. Sin inverse of same get cancelled, theta is nothing but tan inverse x, and then differentiate that dy by So this one du by dv you can find out. However, in case you find it difficult, for this part you can refer question number 38, and for this part you can go to question number 26 in the earlier videos, and then find out the differentiation of the first function with respect to second function. So that comes to the end of this day. We have discussed so far 47 sums covering differentiation using chain rule, implicit function, and inverse trigonometric functions. So the next class we will go for differentiation of exponential and logarithmic functions. I hope I have made it very clear and also interesting and easy. If you agree, and if you are not subscribed, now subscribe, and also suggest to your friends and neighbors so that they can also get the benefit. Thank you for watching.